Hi guys, welcome to this session. In today's session, we're going to see how we can set up conversion tracking when we are looking at event specific tracking in the website. So once you log into your LinkedIn Ads account, what you can do is we can start off first with setting up the insight tag. Once the tag is set up, we can create a conversion tracking, which will be for a specific event. So let's begin with that, guys. So once you go into the LinkedIn Ads account, we can go to analyze and we can straight away go to insight tag. So in insight tag, LinkedIn will give you three options how you can set up this code. So the first is wherein you can set up the code yourself. You can get the tag from here and you can add it to your website. The second is wherein you can send it to your web developer who has built your site and he or she can do the same thing. And the third is using a tag manager, we can follow the process. So let's have a look at the first option. So this is the code, guys, which we need to copy from here and we will have to put it in the website's global footer, and that will help us to track the conversions. So now that I have copied the code, I can go to my website's admin and I can paste the code. So let me just show you the website. This is the website, guys, which I'm using right now, okay, on which we are going to set up the code. So to test right now whether there is any code on this site or not, we can look at the LinkedIn Insight Tag Checker, okay, and an extension which is available, which you can download and apply. So if you look at this tag checker right now, it says that the insight tags are not found. There is no code on this site. Okay, so we're starting from here right now. Okay, so with this, what we're going to do is we'll now go to the admin of our website, the Wix dashboard. This is the dashboard, guys. Now on the Wix account, we are going to paste that code at the backend. So for which you can go to settings on the left panel. And now in settings, we can come to the advanced settings where we can go to custom code. In custom code, we can put it in the footer. So we'll put it at the end of the body, okay, over here. So now you can see the whole code has been set up on this particular page and we can apply. So now the code has been pasted. So you can just refresh the website so that they take the code into consideration. And similarly, we can also refresh our website. So to check whether the code is pasted properly or not. So now when we check the tag checker, what we see is it says the status is success, the code has been pasted, and we can see the partner ID also over here. Okay, so now the code has been pasted. All what is required now for us to do is we'll have to create the conversion tracking, okay, in the account. So now we can go back to our conversion tracking and create a new conversion. Let's say online conversion. We can start providing all the details. So LinkedIn is going to ask you certain details of what kind of a conversion are you planning to track. So let's say this conversion tracking, which we are creating today, is for a specific event, which is lead gen. Okay, so we are going to do a lead gen conversion tracking. We can choose the action also. So here the action is for lead, right? And now LinkedIn is also asking what will be the value of this conversion. So if this conversion happens, what kind of monetary value will you gain? So you can provide that value out here. And then we can choose a time frame in which this conversion should be counted, which we can provide. You can choose the time frame for clicks and views in from this particular segments. And at the end, we can also set up the attribution model we want to use over here. The attribution model basically will give credit to the ad interactions which are happening and based on which it will track conversions. So you can choose between two options which we have, which is last touch each campaign or last touch last campaign. So let's say we're going with each campaign. Now, LinkedIn will ask us to apply this conversion tracking to either one of the campaigns, okay, or some of the campaigns which you have in the account or all the campaigns also you can do. So you can select all campaigns if you want to track all conversions for all campaigns, or you can select specific ones for which you want this data. So like this, we can select campaigns. And now we're coming to the last page where we're going to set up the code for specific event. So here again, LinkedIn provides you the steps, which is we have to first go ahead and set up the code, which we have already done. And now we are choosing the second option. The second option is event snippet, okay, wherein event specific, wherein we are counting for specific conversions to happen. So now when you choose this, they provide you with a specific code. If you see, this is the code which has been provided by LinkedIn. And now this you can copy and go back to your website where you would like to install this. So this has to be pasted on the submit button, okay, on the submit page of your lead website, lead form. Okay, since this is a conversion tracking we are setting up for lead generation. Okay, so this code has to be pasted on the particular page, which is the submission page of your lead form. Once you do that, then this will start tracking your leads in the correct manner. I hope this makes sense. And once you do this, you can create the conversion action. So this becomes our conversion action for lead gen, which we have created for our LinkedIn ads campaigns. I hope this makes sense and everybody understands what is the process and how we can set up conversion tracking for lead generating businesses. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today. Have a great day, guys.